Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for continuous support to my channel and thank you for regularly visiting my channel and watching all my video updates. Today in this video we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold. We are going to see the trading ranges, support and resistance and analyze the trend of the market. I'll be sharing you the support and resistance levels for each time frame analysis. Please use these levels for deciding your entry and exit on your trades. Let us start with the analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we analyze the daily time frame price action, you can notice that the highest it has gone was around 1863. From there, the price action fell all the way down to the level of 1763 and it bounced back. But after bouncing back, you can notice that it couldn't manage to break this resistance level between 1828 and 1834. The current price action is consolidating within this resistance and support level, which is trying to form a symmetric triangle pattern. If the price action continues to trade within this support and resistance level, soon we can expect a directional movement in this currency pair. When we analyze the trend of the market, it looks very bullish because you can notice that it has not broken this trend line or the support line. When we look at the current candlestick formation in daily time frame, you can notice that there is no direction in the market. It has formed a green candle. It has wicks on the upside and has a wicks on the downside also, and the candle has closed in the middle. It is similar to a doji candlestick, which means that there is no direction. Both the seller and buyer are stronger in this market. And if the price action doesn't manage to break this area, we can expect a further consolidation within this support and resistance level. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now, and from the current price action we understand that the price action has tried several times to break this resistance level of 1828 and it couldn't succeed in breaking this level. And when we look at the price action, you can notice that it is trying to form a double top pattern or a M pattern, but it couldn't succeed in breaking this support level also, which is around 1812. So it is a range bound market in hourly time frame also. But within this range bound market, when we look at the past price action, it was in a very nice bullish trend. It broke this support line and it was going on a sideways market. And when we look at the current price action, it is on a bearish trend and it couldn't break this support level also. You can notice that it is sort of forming a triangle pattern, which means that it was on a bullish trend and forming a triangle pattern. It shows that the bullish trend is still holding. It is consolidating to go on a bullish side trend. The price action is gathering momentum to break this resistance area between 1834 and 1828. So once it breaks this resistance area, we can expect a uptrend to continue. So currently the price action is consolidating within this support and resistance area and forming a triangle pattern. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the support and resistance levels in hourly time frame, and currently the market is consolidating or forming a triangle pattern. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now. You can notice that the price action has tested this support level of 1812 and it has bounced back, but it couldn't go on a bullish side also, because overall when we see, it is in a very nice downtrend. It has come down, tested this support level, retraced, again retraced back. As long as this trend line is holding, we can expect the price action to trend back and retest on this support level of 1812. Even if the price action breaks this trend line, as long as this support level and the resistance area is holding, you can expect the range bound market to continue. Once it breaks this resistance area, we can expect the bullish trend continuation. Currently it is in a consolidation. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked in yellow color are the support and resistance levels in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trying to break this trend line. If it succeeds to break this trend line, you can go on a bullish side trade. If it fails, you can go on a bearish side trade. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I'm in 5 minutes time frame now. Here we can notice that price action was on a very nice downtrend. Again it went on a bullish trend, took resistance on the hourly time frame trend line, and it is on a retracement. But now you can notice that retracement is reducing. You can draw trend lines like this to understand the price action, and once the price action or candlesticks breaches this support level, you can go on a bearish side trade, and if the price action breaks this resistance level, you can go on a bullish side trades. Currently it is consolidating within a triangle pattern in 5 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading within the resistance level of 1820 and support level of 1819. Wait for it to breach this resistance line or the support line to take a directional trade. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button to show your support to my video and share this video with your friends.